Okay, so we're going to look at Wolf Marshall Basics 1, page 39, and we're going to talk about the shuffle feel. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start with basic 8-note rhythm, A5, A6, and 8 notes. So we're playing A5 twice, A6 twice, and we're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and this is just to get used to what we're going to be doing soon. That is figure 15 on page 39, so we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and now on the next page, on page 40, we're going to talk about 8-note triplets. Now 8-note triplets, basically they're 8 notes, 3 8 notes to 1 quarter note, and it's 3 8 notes with the number 3 over top, and that would be on figure 16, page 40. And how we count those, if we just on the top of your guitar got used to the triplet feel, just tap the top of your guitar. You want to internalize the rhythm, so you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now I'll just kind of internalize it, do that for a bit. Now we'll transfer it to the A string, all down strokes with the right hand. This will be figure 17, and we're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and alright, again I'll just go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the next figure, in figure 18 on that same page, page 40, we do it in 12/8. So triplets often written in 12/8 meter without the number 3 over top of the triplet. It's the exact same thing. You just know number 3, so you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and now the shuffle rhythm is you have those 3 8 notes. You have 3 of those 8 notes, and the middle one is tied. So you're counting 1, but the and is silent, and you're playing the So you're going 1 and 2 and 3. And that's the nucleus of the shuffle rhythm. They tie that. So now we have a quarter note followed by an 8th note in 12/8 times. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, and that's how the feel is there. And that's page 40, figure 20. Again, if I do it slower, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now if you go to the next page, I kind of skip some of the other stuff. And if we go back to a 12/8 time just to get the feel of that, because we're going to put an A5, A6 in a shuffle in the next one. We're going to take a triplet pattern. We're going to play A5 3 times, A6 3 times, A5. This is figure 24, page 42. So I'm going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now back to our quarter 8th unit. We're going to take, this is the nucleus of the shuffle groove. We're going to take A5, A6 and play that shuffle. Remember, we're not playing the and. We're playing the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and the of the triplet. So we're going to go A5, 1 and then A6, 2 and then back to A5, A6. So if I count it, this will be figure 25, page 42. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and let's try again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now on the next page, page 43, figure 26, it's the exact same feel. What they do is they put triplet feel. They write out triplet feel. 2 8 notes is equal to the shuffle, which is the chord note, 3 over top with the 8th note. So this sounds exactly like the same thing. And sometimes they'll put on top, they'll put triplet feel, shuffle rhythm, swinger, jazz 8 notes. So this one sounds just like figure 25 on the page before. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 3 and 4 and again. I'll just again figure 26 on page 43. 1